librarians of the City School Network. Today, we have an exciting topic to delve into, an introduction to Koha, an open-source integrated library system. I'm Nadeem, Sohail, Manager Libraries, and I'm thrilled to guide you through this informative journey. Koha is a powerful library automation system that can streamline your library management processes. Whether you're a seasoned librarian or just starting out, Koha can make your life a whole lot easier. Koha is an open-source ILS, which stands for Integrated Library System. It helps you manage your library's collection, patrons, circulation, and more, all in one place. And the best part? It's free. Now, let's talk about some key features that make Koha a standout choice for library management. Web-based interface. Access Koha from anywhere with an internet connection. No need for complex installations on individual computers. Cataloging and inventory management. Effortlessly catalog and manage your library's collection. Koha makes it easy to organize and update your inventory. Patron Management. Keep track of your patrons, their borrowing history, and much more. Koha helps you maintain a comprehensive patron database. Circulation System. Simplify the borrowing and returning process with Koha Circulation System. It's intuitive and user-friendly. And there you have it, a brief introduction to Koha. I encourage you to explore further, experiment with the system, and make it your own. The City School Network's libraries are about to embark on an exciting journey with Koha, and I can't wait to see the positive changes it brings to your library management. Thank you for joining me today, and happy exploring.